Hello everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I have the Witch's Moon for October unboxing. I'm excited. Let's see what we have in store for the Witch's Moon October. All right, so we have our twined info. Exciting. Our theme is the Shadow of Samhain. Very nice. Okay, let me go over this last. We have a magical card here. Mine says Love Charm, number 9. Sigil cards, they're really cool. Okay, then we have Spirits. I can't make this font out, but I think it says Spiritus Nudus of Spirits of Past, Spirits of Guides, on Words Not Lost, the Samhain Tides, the Night of Nights. I called to ask, I called to seek. Oh, hear my cry. For what becomes and what has done, to understand, to feel at one, of spirits past, spirits guides, on words not lost, the Samhain Tides. Beautiful, magical Samhain affirmation. Very, very cool. Then we have, oh, this is gorgeous too. Wow. This is so pretty. I can't make it all out what it says on top. I really am sorry. I can't make out that word. But we'll find out, I guess, in the description in the, it should tell us, but I cannot make out this font. I have no idea what it says. It's driving me crazy. Something hollow tide. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. We'll find out. And then we have this beautiful, the Raven Book of Shadows. This is absolutely stunning. Wow. Right? These are always so beautiful. Absolutely adore them. Another quick peek at the box. Before we get into it, I'm just going to take some of this. All right. So the first thing on top here is we have this black bag with some backflow incense. And this looks like a pad that you would stick underneath something, so I guess we're going to find out what that's for. Well, this big item's right on top, so I have to grab it. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my God, I love it. I'm holding it the wrong way. All right, look at this. It is absolutely freaking beautiful, guys. Oh my gosh, look at this. The lighting in here stinks. Look at the Raven. Beautiful. And we have it like a, I don't know what that is. And it's twined with black feathers with green. As it's flying, it's absolutely breathtaking. Oh, wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Wow, just look at that. That is truly remarkable and amazing, and I'm in love. Wow. Unbelievable. Oh, stain. I gotta put this in my lap. It's just so beautiful. And this is made of like a resin or something. It's nice. And there's more to go. I'm excited what I just got. We got marshmallow roots. We got meadow sweet. We got a reusable tea bag. We got tea. It's called the Magician. It's enough for like 2 cups, I'm assuming. We have our candle. Guys, I love it. This Halloween, this October, the Samhain month has been getting awesome boxes thus far. We got a beautiful purple bees wax. Okay, this huge bag. What else? We got the Veil Key bath salts or ritual salts, whatever you'd like to use them for. Nice size. What else we got here? All right, we got something in here. It's very, I'm scared to open it. It's very delicate, it looks like. Okay. We have a chunk of selenite. Great for cleansing. Ooh, we have an oil as well. I can't open this one. All right. All right, I got it. Oh, beautiful raven oil. Like it. And last item is this. It's a little cauldron, if I was to guess, for the incense. Let's see. It is. It's a backflow burner. Triple moon, little cauldron, and these backflow go in here and the smoke comes out the bottom. Cool. Very nice. All right, this box was freaking amazing. Absolutely. Look at this. Amazing. Stand right there. Beautiful thing. Okay. Now let's get to what it's about. The shadow of Samhain. As the veil begins to thin, we steep into the shadows of Samhain to receive wisdom and guidance from our ancestors and spirit guides. During this very special time, we focus on connecting deeply with the spirit world that surrounds us, honoring their unique ability to impact our journey. Within this collection, we work with the very specific messenger to bring us the information and answers we so eagerly seek. The unique and one-of-a-kind collection is the most anticipated and sought-after boxes of the year. We have been working tirelessly for many months to bring these items together for this specific collection. We cannot wait to our subscribers experience these energies during Samhain. It's amazing, guys. I'm blown away. The magical items in this box is as follows. It's the beautiful Witch's Moon exclusive handmade Samhain Raven Talisman. Samhain is a time of year that has associated with the superstitions and folklore for centuries. There is no other night in neo-pagan calendar, it is so richly associated with spirit world. We refer to Samhain as the night when the veil between our world and the spirit realm is thin. Samhain is a wonderful time of year to work on communicating with our ancestors that have passed, or with guides that are associated with our path. In addition, divination can be very useful tool during this time, including but not limited to scrying, oracle, tarot reading, stone casting. We kindly recommend taking time to make offerings, ask questions, request guidance, and honor the spirits that so deeply connect to our journey. The raven has been associated with magic, mystery, and death for centuries. Ravens are intelligent birds, and their dark plumage and eerie calls have long made them a subject of superstition and folklore. Ravens are also said to be able to shapeshift, and they are often associated with the other world in Celtic mythology. In Norse mythology, Odin's familiars were two ravens named Hugin and Munin. If I'm butchering them, I apologize. Who represented the thought and memory. Ravens were also connected to the undead in many cultures. In some Native American traditions, ravens are said to be the souls of the dead, while the others, they are seen as guides to the spirit world. Ravens' black feathers can be used in magic and ritual to invoke communication with the dead, or to promote shape-shifting and mysticism. Ravens' feathers are also said to offer protection from evil spirits. You will find a small attachment on the back of the talisman that will allow you to hang this raven near or above your Samhain ancestral altar. As you perform your personal rituals during this time, visualize the spirit of the raven opening the pathway for communication. Even when Samhain is past, the raven is a wonderful talisman to keep hung in a dedicated honoring your sacred space. Yes, there is a little hook here. That is awesome. All right. The Book of Shadows, of course, by A.E. Alden. This gorgeous piece. The Triple Moon Backflow Burner. Triple moon is a symbol of the different stages of womanhood, represents the cycles of man. 3 moons represented the phases of life, death, birth, and rebirth. So yeah, I wish I can just show you how to use it, but I'm sure you guys know how to use it. Triple moon backflow burner. Of earth and ash backflow is the cones, is the scent of the cones. And this mat. So the mat goes under here like this. Okay. All Hallow Tide. Festivals of the Dead, Book of Shadows artwork. That's what this is, the one I cannot pronounce. All Hallow Tide. Beautifully inspired All Hallow Tide Book of Shadows artwork was created exclusively for the subscribers of Witch's Moon. Keep in your Book of Shadows or reference to display your sacred space. Also written by A.E. Alden. Beautiful. All right. Hand-rolled spirit guidance candles is hand-rolled with the intentions of providing you with time and energy to call upon your ancestors and spirit guides during Samhain. Of course, to receive guidance, receive messages, or practice divinatory rituals. This is hand-rolled and anointed with ylang-ylang, cinnamon, jasmine oils, and a blend from their personal cabinet. And it smells so good. This is the Spirit Nutus Spellbook of artwork. The spell and sigil was created exclusively for the very collection and is charged with the energy and the ability to portray your intentions for spirit communications during Samhain. Use the sigil as a reference when creating carved or dressed candles, or simply replacing simply replicating it where you feel it must be represented. God, I can't talk. Sorry, guys. For reference, sigil spell written by A.E. Alden. Then we got the Meadowsweet. Oh, no, I missed the Raven Oil Anointing Oil. Has been created with the intention to enhance your ability to receive messages and guidance from your ancestors and spirit guides. This is created with Lang Lang, peppermint, spearmint oils, included mugwort, Enchinacea, spearmint herbs as well. And a mixture of their Samhain magical oil in here too, in their cabinet. Then the Meadowsweet is good for a long history of being used for medicinal properties, magic and folklore for centuries. Is also a sacred plant to druids. It is believed that it had the power to grant second sight and allow communication with fairies. In Welsh legend, it was said that a woman who created from blossoms of oak, broom plant, and meadowsweet. Today, meadowsweet is still used in love spells to create peace and harmony in marriages. And it also repels negative energy during ritual and divination. Organic marshmallow root. Sacred blend with the intention of dispelling... Oh, wrong one. Going too far. Marshmallow's long history of being used for both magical and medicinal purposes. The roots are often used to make protective oils and continues to be used for beauty preparations. It's also considered to be a water herb and is often associated with deities of love and beauty. It's also helpful with fertility and attraction spells. It can be used to cleanse your space as well. Magical ritual tea. The Magician ritual tea is black tea and blackberry leaves. It's good to focus your energy and intentions on what you want to create during this time. The Veil Key Ritual Salt. We have created a special blend with the intention of dispelling negative energy, anxiety, and stress so you are more capable of receiving messages from your guides during this time. As you work with these magical ingredients, take time to feel as comfortable as possible, relaxing your body and mind. We have enchanted the sacred salt with vanilla, clove, patchouli, rose oils, as well as rose, lemon balm, and damiana herbs, and a special magical oil from their personal cabinet in between. Very, very cool. I hear you, baby. I'm almost done. They're calling this the TV stone. Lexite. Note that stone is fragile and breaks apart very easily. We recommend placing this stone in a small dish or area where it will not be moved. It is known for its credibility to magnify the energy of other crystals and stones. Okay, Bella. Making a great tool for amplifying and expanding your spells and rituals. What? I'm coming. Okay. I'm coming. If I don't run, she goes crazy. And then the oracle card. All right. Shh. This is from the magic... Hey! Get out of here. Magic Making Oracle deck. They have them in small cards and these round ones. And that is by the Priestess Moon. And they always give you a Book of Shadows sheet as well. So you can write your own spells and rituals. What do you think of this month's box? Oh my gosh. I love it. Last month was awesome too. Oh my God. I absolutely love it. Well, let me know, guys, what you think. As always, love this box. I'll leave it in the description about this box below. Thanks for watching, guys.